Well, pulling out of camp, got to do a few errands, and I figured I'd take you with me here. This is the view leaving camp, looking towards Valley of Fire State Park. It's off in that direction on the other side of that mountain there. These are some of the red rocks that are just like in a park up here. But you can see the road isn't really that bad. I mean, it's not like La Posta South where you had to just creep along, but I take it easy on here. It's an old rig and I don't want to shake her apart either, you know, but it's definitely a lot smoother. On my way to do my errands, go do laundry, and also dump tanks and everything on my way over to Echo Bay to do that, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. I came across this. It's called Blue Point Springs. So it must be a natural spring out here. Looks like the donkeys love it. Or burros, excuse me, burros. I know someone's gonna correct me, right? Burros. But palm trees in the middle of the desert. What do you think of that? Off in the distance there you can see the red rock from Valley of Fire State Park. So I'm still in the general area here. But thought you'd find it interesting. There's springs along here. Little picnic area here. Not the most well-kept place, but still nice little stop off. Trash. I can get rid of my trash here. Perfectly legal. My National Parks Pass. Then you see there's Lake Mead out there. Well, this is Echo Bay here, what's left of it. Since the water is receded, as you can see over here from the high water marks, Lake Mead is down 60-70 feet. This is the entrance to the old launch ramp here, which is closed off now. They had to make a longer one. I think they've extended it 3 or 4 times from what I've seen. But this used to be the launch ramp into the lake. And as you can see, there is no more water here. This whole area used to be a launch ramp. They've closed it off. Now they've had to extend the launch ramp. See where that rig is going out there? Quite a ways out. Still a beautiful area, although it isn't as kept up as well as it used to be. I came down here to dump my tanks. It's free to dump your tanks if you're with your National Parks Pass at the first campgrounds on the right when you come down the road. You can also fill up potable water there, and there's a trash dump as well. Still, this place has a lot of history. It was said at one point that on Wikipedia that the founder of eBay liked it so much that so he wanted to call eBay Echo Bay, but the domain name was taken, so he decided on eBay instead. That was his second choice. But tanks are empty, my water's filled, so off to Overton to do laundry, and I'll show you that when I get there too. All right, let's go for a ride. Here's the dump station at Echo Bay. This is the first campground. There it is right there. That bus up. This is the first campground on your right as you come in. Now I'm at the laundry room in Overton doing my laundry. This is the place you can get it done. It's right on the main drag coming in here. Some Napa Auto Parts store in town. There's a couple vendors over there. Ace Hardware. I guess this would be a closest big city to Stewart's Point. Poverty Flats. Echo Bay. And Sophie's waiting patiently for me to get done. Just wanted to let you know that my dryer did not work properly at the laundromat, and there was about 3 or 4 other machines that were out of order or not working properly. But I figured I'd leave you here with this time lapse. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and you have a great day. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with me.